Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is Pourfection Art with Tracy. Okay, so for the first time I am going to try to replicate one of my own paintings. This is a painting I did back when I first started painting, and it was before I started filming me painting. It's before I started writing down my colors and what I was going to do. And this is just on a 10 by 20 little Michaels, the little cheap canvases. But I absolutely love this painting, and I want to do it on a larger gallery wrapped canvas. So I've been studying it, and too, it's like the first time that I ever got like the little stripy cells. I know it was like a waterfall pour, but that's pretty much all I can remember. Don't know what my pouring medium was. Like I said, still trying to figure out my colors. I think I've pretty much got it narrowed down. So there's definitely some like Bordeaux red in there. There's my finger. The 24 karat gold, Prussian blue. I see some deep turquoise in there. I think there's color flash, and not color flash, fire opal. And I think that's what is between all these little stripy cells and right in there. So let me show you my colors that I'm going to attempt, and hopefully I can pull off. I don't know what created that, but it could just be a combination of the blues mixing with the whites. But anyway, let me show you my colors that we're going to try. So my first one, sorry about all the messy background. I'm just holding the phone for right now until I get you guys up on the holder. But I'm going to do Bordeaux red, and I toned it down a little bit because I might be wrong, but I don't think that's true Bordeaux red. Anyway, I just threw in a little tiny bit of the Art Alchemy let me get my glasses on because I cannot see. In the royal red. So I put a little bit of that in there. And then, like I said, I did the fire opal, and I really do feel like in that painting it was just regular fire opal, but I wanted to change it up a little bit. So I added a little tiny squirt of the quinacridone nickel azo gold, and look at this color. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. Anyway, then I did Prussian blue. I'm pretty certain that that's my main blue in there. But I wanted to glisten it up a little bit. I am all about the bling. So I added a little bit of Modern Masters Sapphire. Let me switch hands real quick so y'all can see this color too. Look at that. Oh, see that glisten? Isn't that pretty? Let me go back to this one too, now that I've got the other hand, so y'all can see that color that mixing the fire opal and the azo gold made. It's just gorgeous. And then, like I said, I'm pretty certain about this one, the Liquitex heavy body deep turquoise. Oh, it's so funny to look through my phone to see the color you guys are seeing versus what is in this cup is night and day. Trust me, this is definitely turquoise. It's not the royal blue that my phone is showing. See the difference? Yeah, it's crazy. This is definitely a greenish turquoise. You guys, like I said, are seeing more of a royal blue. It is not that. Then my white is just the Artist Loft Flow with some Deco Art satin enamel. And I know for a fact that TLPs were not in that painting because I did not have TLPs then, but I wanted to play with them. I think I now have every single color in TLP. I just got another box in today of 31 more jars. So I'm excited to start really playing with them. But so this gold is this little piggy in the ore, but I did add a scoop of Deco Art satin enamel in with it. Mainly not because I needed any more bling in that one. It was just hoping for some more effects. So I know for a fact this color was not in that painting, and I don't know if I'm going to use it, but it's just such a pretty color. I figured I might try, and it is Sea Glass by TLP. So, okay. And then I did my little paper test. My paints are very thick today. They are slowly leaving a mound on a mound on a mound, and that was using lots of water because I mixed it with my love, the mixed pouring medium. I just love this stuff. I say it almost every video, but I love it. You can get your mix if you don't already know. I feel like the world knows by now. You can get your mix by emailing Krista at Krista8974@gmail.com, and she will get you your bottles out quicker than Amazon almost, and she is a one-man show. And the reason the Josana is sitting there is I just wet my pigments down a little bit with the Josana varnish before adding them in the mix. I've actually seen Krista do a video where she mixed the TLPs straight in with the mix and didn't wet them down at all. So that can be done. I just haven't done it yet. So as you guys can tell, my voice is still coming and going. Don't know why, but hopefully you can hear me a little better now that I have the microphone. All right, my canvas today is going to be a big one. It's, well, much bigger than the 10 by 20 that's here, but it's a 15 by 30. Let me get the paper. Artist Loft, gallery wrapped. Already got my back pinned. I'm going to do a waterfall, so I'll be elevating one end of it and just doing a straight pour. Let's see if we can replicate this beauty. I hope so. This is even the painting that's on all of my business cards, so still to date, one of my favorites. All right, I'm gonna get you guys up in the holder, get my canvas on the table, and probably stop talking and let you guys listen to some music. If you don't mind, before I stop talking, take one quick second, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell. Like I've said, I've got tons and tons of fun stuff coming up. Hopefully my next video is going to be the second step to my tray that I poured. It will be a different tray because they're selling as fast as I can make them. So, but I have one set aside that I am going to make sure that I show you guys the silver leafing and the resining process of that tray. So hopefully that'll be the next video, and then I've got lots of other fun stuff. I'm going to start playing with some kitchen gadgets. I know Valentine's Day is right around the corner, but I have an idea in my head with a cookie press. I guess that's what it's called. It's what you squirt cookie dough out with. So I want to make something for Valentine's Day using a kitchen gadget. So hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of those videos. If you like what you're seeing, hit the thumbs up. And as always, leave me a comment. I'd love to know your thoughts on this journey. And if you see colors in this painting that I don't have here, leave me a comment. I can always go back and try it again. So I love you guys so much. Thank you again for being here. It really means the world to me that you've chosen my video to watch. That does not go without me realizing how much that takes, because there's so many of us out here. So I so greatly appreciate you being here. I'll be right back. See you on the table in a sec.
Inside feels like I'm in for a long night, and I don't wanna wait to hear you say my name. I feel you shy away, and I think it's time we say the spark died when you let me pretend. The feeling inside tears me to shreds. I put you so high on a pedestal, hard to know I'm expendable. It's a long drive on a cold night, and I'm not quite ready to say goodbye. And I hate to leave this way, as tears run down your face, but you threw this all away, and I think it's time we say the spark died when you let me pretend. The feeling inside tears me to shreds. I put you so high on a pedestal, hard to know I'm expendable. The palm trees bend and I cave in. You told me this would never happen, so here I am, so lost again, and I feel like you're not listening. The spark died when you let me pretend. The feeling inside tears me to shreds. I put you so high on a pedestal, hard to know I'm expendable. The spark died tonight. The spark died tonight.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. 'Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil, but I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Alrighty, I hope y'all could see that okay. I feel like I say this every video, but I'm still working on camera angles and lighting. My lighting in this room really stinks, but my husband and I are building a new house, and in that house, or in the backyard of that house, I'm gonna have my very own art studio, and one of the main things I'm gonna insist is excellent lighting. But y'all look, I think we pulled it off. Get these cords out of my way. I'm probably making y'all dizzy. I got the stripy cells again. They're definitely much bigger than the first painting, but that was a smaller painting, so I didn't have to tilt nearly as much on that. Colors are similar, but I know it'll dry a lot darker. Didn't have nearly as much Bordeaux red pop out in this one yet, but I love it. I'm going to show y'all the other angle in a minute. I just wanted to do the close-up. Lots of Bordeaux red and all the Prussian blue and that deep turquoise in there. And then I'll show you like up high, but this part, other than the stripy cells, is my favorite. I think I did it. I love it. I'm so excited and cannot wait. I'm glad that I added the lagoon. Look, that's the lagoon. So I know that is just gonna shimmer and sparkle and shine. Sorry, that's one of my pups in the back barking because a UPS is going by. But look at all the details and the fingerlings. And I love that this center section is lighter. It's, I don't know, it's sort of like a waterfall coming down a canyon, I guess. But look, down there, that's my favorite part. That's like, y'all watch that show Gold Rush? That's like bedrock. We hit bedrock. It's hard to get this whole canvas in, having to do landscape angle on your phone. And I cleaned up my corners and my edges and all that, but I haven't cleaned off my table, so I hate that that's blocking, but kind of block that out. I love it. I cannot wait to see how this dries. I think it is so pretty. So I will show y'all the dried results in the next video, and hopefully better lighting. I'll take it outside and show you. So again, thank you guys so much for being here. Can y'all hear the excitement in my voice? I got lights everywhere, but nothing shines in the right direction. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions on this that I didn't answer, let me know. But I love you guys so much. I keep wanting to say more about the painting. I wish y'all could see the shimmer right here. I don't know if you can, probably not. The lighting, but it's just gorgeous. I'm excited. I'm so happy with it. Yay. As Angie Mason would say, I poured until I soared on this one, and I'm so, so happy. So I love you guys. Thank you again for being here. and I will see you soon. Bye, friends.